Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and motions working when your Xiaomi 12T Pro is locked. And first let's open up the settings. Right here we can go for additional settings on the bottom, then gestures and shortcuts, and here's all of the gestures and motions for this device. So first one that will work if your phone is locked, let me show you that I have the password set up, is Power Assistant for pressing and holding power button for 0.5 seconds. So make sure that it's enabled, and now let's try that. And here's a Google Assistant. Next one is a launch camera, and here you need to use a different method to make it work. So double press the power button or double press volume down when the screen is locked. And now let's try that. And here's the camera. Next is turn on torch, and you'll need to double press the power button. Make sure that it's enabled, lock your screen and double press the power button. Here's the torch. Let's disable it and let's enable it. Last options are the back taps on the phones, and here's a back tap, double back tap to turn on silent mode, and triple back tap. And these settings, some of them might not work on a locked screen. So here let's go with launch camera and silent mode, because I'm pretty sure these will work. And if you have the cover on your phone, you might need to take it off to make that thing work. Now let's try that with a cover. It doesn't work, so let's remove it. Okay, it works. And now triple back tap. Okay, so they work, but it's kind of tricky to do that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.